Hello friends, first of all welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and the whole video contains very beautiful design ideas of entirely handmade, hand designed, handcrafted and hand decorated face mask design ideas and face mask design patterns. Yes friends, you have heard it right. From my today's collection you are going to get different types of design ideas of face mask, crochet patterns, crochet face mask knitting ideas, crochet flower designing, hand embroidery, decoration onto hand knitted handmade crochet masks. All of these masks are very beautiful, lightweight and comfortable and soft to wear throughout the whole day. And the key features that make these masks more reliable and more significant and more beneficial are that they are reusable, washable, and they give maximum protection from different types of seasonal viruses, dangerous pandemic situation, and many more acute health problems like dust allergy, pollen allergy, sun protection, skin care, breathable problems, some minor and acute viral problems, and above of all, the most important thing, that COVID. So I would request you to kindly do try these patterns because all of these patterns are very beautiful, decent and elegant, and different combination of funky and stylish patterns have been used. These masks are absolutely favorable for adults, girls, boys, older age persons, funky design ideas, kids, adults, all age group persons could wear these masks. So for kids, some sort of kitty nose or some sort of different type of attractive and funky patterns but easy to make patterns have been used. Only a focused attention of 1 hour can convert into a very beautiful and reliable, highly designer style face mask. So friends, with this allow me to leave, and kindly comment below this video so that we could know that what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon back in my channel. Up till then, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and kindly share my video with your friends and family. Take care.